Hi everyone, I'm shooting this video because I really wanted to share my journey as a Clickbank affiliate. So for the past 6 months, I've been struggling. I've been making about $100 per day max, and I've been losing money for a while, and now all of a sudden I'm generating like $300, $700, $500 per day, and I'm generating traffic from 100% Facebook image ad, and I haven't even started running video ads. So the day when I made about $747, I spent about $350. So this was a really good day. Generally spend about $200 to $300 per day, so the ROI is looking really great. I found out what's working and I really want to share that with you guys. So if you're really interested, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing my Facebook ad image, how I scaled it to generate this much profit. So guys, I'm looking forward to sharing that with you guys. Once again, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.